Swept Test System, or STS, is Sontec's photonic solution for testing and characterizing optical devices. Wavelength-dependent loss STS is designed to characterize insertion loss through passive optical components. It consists of a light source, the TSL 570, and a detector, the MPM 210. In this tutorial, we are going to explain how to connect these instruments in preparation for your measurement. Connecting BNC cables will allow real-time calibration and rescaling, as well as the synchronization of the TSL and MPM. First, connect one BNC cable from the TSL's power monitor connector to the MPM's TSL monitor connector. Then, connect the second BNC cable from the TSL's trigger output to the MPM's trigger input. The GPIB-GPIB cable allows the TSL and MPM to use the same GPIB port while maintaining their own respective addresses. For that, just connect the GPIB-GPIB cable between the TSL and the MPM. The USB cable will transfer data from the MPM's data acquisition board, or DAC board, to the PC. Connect the USB cable from the MPM to a USB port on your PC. Finally, the GPIB USB cable will ensure communication between the user and the instruments. Connect the GPIB connector to either one of your GPIB ports, and then connect the USB connector to your PC's USB port. Now that all of the connections are set up, just power on all instruments and start the Sontec IL Swept Test System software from the link on your desktop. The software will prompt you to input all instrument addresses. First is the TSL GPIB address, then the MPM GPIB address, and then the DAC board address. After the initialization check, the software is fully ready for your photonic characterization. We hope this tutorial was helpful. For more details, please check our website.